I also want to talk to you about the environment video. So at the beginning of every quiz or exam that is using a web camera, it's going to ask you to do an environment video. So this is your proof to your instructor that you don't have anything in that environment that you're going to use to cheat. So you need to make it a good video, a good proof. Okay, so I would start by saying, let's just slowly pan the room. So you're going to pick up that web camera or pick up the laptop. I know it's not nearly as convenient, but I need you to slowly go across the room and show me what all's in your room. Okay, I want you to even get behind the computer so that I know nobody's back there giving you answers along the way. So slowly pan the room and show me everything that's in your area. If you could verbalize that as you're doing it, that would be helpful as well. Like there's the kitchen, and the refrigerator, and then over here's the laundry room, and you can see there's nobody else in here with me, so on and so forth. Go slowly when you do that. The pixels in these web cameras are not very well, and you can see a lot of times everything just winds up blurry. So, it's hard to know for certain that a student doesn't have cheating tools laying around. This one of a table, those look like Halloween buckets. Maybe I don't know what the rest of this is, but is that a receipt or is it notes? It's really hard to tell. So make it good and slow and show me what's around everywhere. I can't even tell where we're at in this one. Like, are we in a bedroom? Are we at a desk with stuff behind you? It's just really hard to tell because the pixels and the student move too fast in their environment video. So just go nice and slow and make sure it's picking up on everything. And like I said, if you would verbalize, that'd be helpful too. Show your desk area. Okay, I need to see where you're going to be working, where that keyboard is located, where your mouse is. That way I know what's down there gathering your attention. Okay. I allow students to use blank scrap paper for their math calculations. Okay, I want you to show me that area where you are keeping that paper and pencil. I want to see that there's no phone laying there, that there's no little tablet or anything extra that could be gathering your attention. It is just that blank scrap paper. If you've got your calculator stashed over there on the other side of your keyboard, show that to me as well. I need to see what's over there gathering your attention that you keep typing on. Is it a phone? Is it a calculator? What is it? Okay, so show me your desk area. Sometimes I just get this right here. Okay, I can see blank paper and I can see a calculator. I don't really see all of the blank scrap paper. Okay, is it truly blank at the top? Is there anything? I see that there's a calculator there, but I don't see anything off to the left or to the right. And where's the keyboard? It's very questionable. It leaves me with lots of questions. So show me as much as you can so that the teacher doesn't have any questions. You could even show the floor so that we know there's not any kind of extra stuff hanging out down there that could help you cheat. Okay. Again, let my students use blank scrap paper. Make sure it's not in a notebook. I'm talking loose leaf blank scratch paper. If you need one sheet, if you need 3 sheets, okay. Show me on each and every page that it is blank front and back. Okay, you can do that by picking up the web camera and taking it to your blank scrap paper, or if you just want to hold up that blank scrap paper and show me front and back, and then sheet 2, front and back, and sheet 3, and however many sheets you have. Okay, so show me that it is truly blank scrap paper. We can't have you walking into the test having notes. Show me the calculator you're using. I want to verify that you are not using your phone. Phones do a lot more than just calculate answers. For the environment video, you get 1 minute and 30 seconds worth of time. I encourage you to use at least a minute of that, if not the full minute and 30 seconds. Okay, again, pan slowly, talk to me about what I'm seeing, show me the desk area, show me the keyboard, the calculator, the paper, show me what's not there. Okay, if you have a good environment video, it leaves us with very little to question about your testing. And that's a good thing for both of us. Okay. So make sure you have a good environment video before testing. Some other good habits while testing. Restart your computer before testing to avoid any possible crashes from that computer. Plan for any kind of technical issues. Okay, if you know that you've got spotty internet at home, don't take your test at home. Go to the library, go to BRTC's campus, find a good internet. Okay, don't wait till the last minute to take these things. Technology is notorious for shutting down at the most inconvenient times. Okay, so don't wait. You've always got to make a plan for when my internet's not working, what's next? Okay, what is that backup plan? Stay seated the whole time. Okay, we've talked about the no distractions. Okay, work, family, all that stuff. You need to find a time without all that. And so that you can sit there and focus on that test the entire time that you're taking it. Make sure you're fully prepared for the exam. Okay, go to the bathroom before starting the test. Get your drink ready, get your calculator, have it handy. Okay, get everything you need done before the test. Get it done before the test. Okay, don't be getting up and running and grabbing and glancing at a test or glancing at a book while you're gone. Okay, that's not going to be allowed. You need to stay seated in front of that screen the whole time. You need to keep your eyes on the screen. We've talked about this, that if you're looking off the screen, the teacher's going to wonder what's over there that you keep looking at. Okay, it's going to be questionable. Shut down any kind of other technology that you've got going. If the TV's on and distracting you, shut it down. Okay, I know some of you have some big gaming computer systems at home. You only need one screen to take a test. Okay, shut off those other screens. It's not going to shut down your computer. I'm talking about just shut down that monitor on those other screens. You only need the one screen to take the test. Basically, just don't give us any kind of reason to suspect cheating. Okay, don't wait to get caught. I need you to prove it to us, your teacher, that you are not cheating, that you've showed us everything around, you have a blank table, nothing out there that you're not supposed to have. Just don't give us a reason to suspect cheating. Sometimes you may get kicked out of a test for whatever reason. Go ahead and just re-enter it. Okay, most of your tests are timed, so within that time limit, okay, if you get kicked out, hop right back in and start working again. If it gives you some kind of error message, take a picture and send that to your teacher as well. Okay, if you will alert us of any of those things beforehand, before we find it, it does tend to go better. Okay, then we feel like you're hiding it if you're not going to tell us about it up front. So let us know if you're getting kicked out. Just go ahead and re-enter and finish your test, and then you can email us and say, something happened, and I was able to get back in and finish my test, but just wanted to let you know. Okay. So overall, treat the test like a test, like what you took all through your kindergarten through 12th grade years. Okay, all those in-person tests that you ever had to take. That is the environment that we need you in at home when you were testing as well. Okay. As a teacher, we're responsible for providing you with a low distraction, quiet, calm testing environment if you were to take a test at school. If you're taking a test at home, that's on you. You need to provide that same environment. Good luck this semester.